floral 4 composition begins with the lively introduction of the scent of this native orchid. Holding itself with a regal and mysterious air, this orchid leaves people in awe not just with its gorgeous blooms, but also its fragrant scent. Amazingly scented with a fresh hyacinth-like scent and sweet floral nuances, it also encompasses spicy hues with subtle notes of roses. Each of our fragrance compositions are carefully crafted to impart the best scent experience, which explains the inclusion of the scent of therapeutic orchids. They contribute to a sense of well-being, both mind and body. Curious to find out more? This therapeutic orchid is often used by Chinese herbalists to improve weak kidneys and heal any kidney-related diseases. It also has diuretic properties which help in treating hernia. Made into an herbal decoction, this orchid can be used to treat malaria and diarrhea in Malaysia and India. Thus far, this plant has only been used in Ayurvedic medicine to heal several other common illnesses and diseases. Moving on to the other scent notes in this composition to complete this fragrance. Gorgeous, isn't it? These unique flowers are given the common name of birds of paradise due to the blossom's resemblance to an exotic bird. Native to South Africa, it immaculately captures the essence of a tropical paradise. Fresh, invigorating, green notes combined with hues of sunny warmth, seemingly a perfect heaven on earth. Adding to the composition is the scent of English ivy, green, cooling, and refreshing, yet with a subtle dash of spiciness. There are many positive meanings alluded to in this fragrance note, such as prosperity, fidelity, and positivity, creating a mystical air to it. Lastly, the addition of pear is the icing on the cake. Its sweet, refreshing, and cheerful scent needs no further explanation, instantly adding a bright and vibrant touch to the fragrance. The smell of pear is extremely delightful, and just a small whiff of it is able to leave one in a joyful mood, washing away all anxieties and negatives. Refreshingly scented with an immaculate finish, this minimalistic floral fragrance adds just the right touch of masculinity and is perfect for the polished and powerful gentleman.